In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Discord stuck on black or gray screen. Let's get started. First, right-click on your taskbar and select the option Task Manager. Now navigate to the Processes tab, head over to the option Discord, or also you can search for it. Right-click on it and select the option End Task. Then you can close this. Now, search for Run. Once it appears, type in %app data %, and then click on OK. Now, you'll need to navigate to the folder Discord. Right-click on it and select the option Delete. Once you do this, give a fresh restart to your PC. So click on the start icon, click on this icon given over here and select Restart. If this solution didn't work out for you, delete the Discord from your device and again reinstall it. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option Apps, click on the option Installed Apps. From this list, find Discord. Now click on three dots and select the option Uninstall. Now launch your preferred browser and then type in Discord Download. Now click on the option Download for Windows and go through the process, and that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your Discord stuck on black or gray screen problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.